Hello. Let's walk through how to auto-sync Freshworks CRM contacts to Google Sheets using Klamp. Click on Create Klamp. Select the source app as Freshworks CRM. Select the trigger event as New Contact. Choose or add a new connection. Under Setup Trigger Action, select All Contact. Run a test to ensure the trigger is working correctly. Select the target app as Google Sheets and the target event as Create Spreadsheet Row. Choose an account. Under Setup Trigger Action, map the fields as shown. Once the mapping is done, click Complete. Click Save Klamp. Set your polling frequency and click Activate. That's it. You've created a workflow to auto-sync Freshworks CRM contacts to Google Sheets. Ready to build more powerful automations? Head over to your Klamp dashboard and start connecting your apps today.